In this video, you will see how to make dotted line in Word document. As you can see, I have inserted different types of dotted line in Word document. The distance between the dots are different. You will also see how to color the dotted line. Let's get started. To insert dotted line in Word, go up to the insert option. You will see the option draw a shape here. Click on the drop down and under the lines select the first option, line. Press shift on your keyboard to draw a straight line. By default, this line is a thin blue line. We will increase the thickness of this line and also make it dotted. Right click on the line and click on format shapes to open this line menu. Under the color, click on the pencil icon to explore the colors, and you can change the color from here if you want to. Let's say here we will select black color. And under the width, you can specify the width. For example, this is 4 points, this is 6 points, and so on. And to make this line dotted, under the dash type, click on the drop down, and here are different formats of the dotted line. For example, in the first format, the dots are close to each other. In the next format, the size of the dots are more. And if you want the edges of these dots to be round, then click on the cap type and select the option round. This will create round edges around the corners of the long dot. There is one interesting option. If you click on the gradient line, you will see this slider. You can add colors inside this slider. You can click on another arrow and select the color again. After selecting the colors of your choice, you can adjust the shade inside the line like this. And if you want to remove some color, you can just click on the arrow and click on minus to remove that color. Here are different types of formats that are available. You can choose any one amongst them, and you can also select even more. If you click on radial, you can see that there are different options appearing again, and also under the rectangular there are more formats as well. Like the video and comment below if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen. See you again in the next videos.